Hello everyone! This time I'm going to show you on how to transact payments on mybizmate.io. So very simple lang din. As we can see, halos same lang sila ng ribbon din sa mga ibang sheets, especially sa collections. Sa collection, may batch collect siya. This time, sa payments, may batch pay naman po tayo. So, as we can see, may number dito, 3. So, ibig sabihin, may 3 outstanding payable po tayo na na-transact from our purchases. Note, purchases is directly connected to payments po. Yung terms po na ginamit po natin on posting our purchases, it's either cash or on account po yan. So pag on account, kailangan po natin siyang i-manually pay po sa ating purchases. And kapag naman po cash po yan, is no need na po kasi si system na po mismo ang mag-auto-post and mag-auto-transact po nung ating purchase po na iyan. So, onti lang nakikita kasi naka-filter po siya ng July. So, pag this year po natin yan, madami po yan. So, pati itong purchases this year po din po natin, so madami yan. So, yes, since may 3 outstanding payable po tayo, dito po muna tayo. First, way on how to pay or on how to on how to pay our purchases or our accounts payable dito po. Batch pay, pinaka-easiest. Kung gusto natin i-pay na yan lahat per supplier, pwedeng-pwede po. So, pero this time, for example, si CBD Inc. na lang po muna yung ating i-pay, babayaran. Okay? So, yung draft date po niya, yung 7/14/2026. So, add lang po natin yung payment na yan. Then, kikita na po natin sa baba. Wala po na po tayong gagalawin as long as we pay the whole amount. And then, yung cash, kung anong gamit po natin na pagbabayad, cash on hand ba yan, check, or cash in bank, kung anong bank yan, for your bank recon soon. Pwedeng-pwede mo pong gawin yan. So, as we can see, naka-flag na siya as okay. Means, ready to post na po siya. So, just click here, then post. Done! You've already posted your payments, okay? So the next thing, okay, or the second way on how to transact your payments is manually input here. So for example, 714 din yan. In tayo ng customer, I mean supplier na ating babayaran. So for example, sa MSI, so nakita ko kanina parang may outstanding balance siya na 100,000. So tignan natin kung meron lagay. So, meron siyang billing open na 224,000. So, for example po is, ang binayaran lang po natin is 100,000. So, ayan. So, lagay lang po natin kung anong cash or bank yan na may offset or way of mode of payment po natin. Then, after doing so naka-ready na yan and ready to post na yan. So, post lang po natin. And yes, posted na po ang ating payments to MSI Computer. So, tignan natin kung meron pa pong balance MSI. O, meron po siyang bill. So, meron pa siyang balance na 124. Yes, tama kasi nabayaran na natin yung 100 po kanina. So, incomplete siya. Nagka-flag kasi kailangan natin pick yung account po na mode of payment po natin. So, cash on hand or checks on hand. So, yes. Post lang po natin yan and done. Also, pwede din po tayong mag-attach dito ng disbursement voucher or anything document that is a proof na nagbayad na po tayo, collection receipt, or ano man po yan na ating natanggap in return. Pwede po nating i-attach dito. And of course, magpapakita ulit yung ating paper clip or a fuller clip here na showing or indicating na meron pong naka-attach na picture po sa transaction po na iyan. So that's it. Thank you.